First, we're going to need to open the command prompt. Hit the Windows key, type C M D, enter. That'll bring up the command prompt window. And this is where you'll enter the commands to get into ProxSpace environment. Alright, so this is how we get into the ProxMark3 environment using ProxSpace 3 on Windows. This is how it works as of the time I'm making this video, so the process could change in the future versions. First, open your command prompt and type cd space ProxSpace and enter. That moves you into the ProxSpace folder. Next, type runme64 and hit enter. This is what exactly launches this ProxSpace environment. It may take a little bit to load, so just give it a moment. Once that loads, type cd ProxMark3 / and hit enter. Then cd space client / enter. Now for the next command, you'll need to know which COM port your ProxMark3 is using. The easiest way I found to check is through the Windows Device Manager. Go to Ports and unplug your ProxMark3 and watch for which device disappears and plug it back in, and whichever COM port comes back is the one you want. For me, that was COM 25. So from the ProxMark3 client folder, I type /ProxMark3.exe space COM 25 and then I hit enter. That launches the ProxMark3 client and connects it to the COM port where my ProxMark3 is plugged in. And that's it. You're now inside the ProxMark3 environment and ready to start using client.